On the night of November 9th, 1989, history changed forever. Crowds of East and West Berliners rushed to the Berlin Wall. Some climbed on top, others chipped away at the concrete with hammers and chisels. What followed was celebrated worldwide as the end of the Cold War. But what really happened that night? To understand the fall, we need to go back. After World War II, Germany was split into East and West. The East was controlled by the Soviet Union, while the West aligned with the US and its allies. Berlin, the capital, was divided too. In 1961, East Germany built the Berlin Wall, a concrete barrier designed not to keep enemies out, but to keep its own citizens in. Families were divided overnight. Attempting to cross could mean imprisonment or death. Fast forward to the late 1980s. The Soviet Union, led by Mikhail Gorbachev, introduced reforms: glasnost, openness, and perestroika, restructuring. Across Eastern Europe, people began demanding more freedom. Poland elected a non-communist government. Hungary opened its borders, and East Germans grew restless. Protests swelled in Leipzig, Dresden, and Berlin. Week after week, hundreds of thousands of people marched, chanting for freedom. Scene: East German officials at a press conference. Narrator: then came a fateful press conference on November 9th, 1989. East German official Günter Schabowski, poorly briefed, announced that East Berliners would be allowed to travel freely to the West. When asked when the new rules took effect, he hesitated, then replied, "Immediately." That single word, immediately, ignited chaos. Thousands of East Berliners poured into border crossings. Guards, confused and overwhelmed, eventually opened the gates. For the first time in 28 years, Berliners could walk freely from east to west. What happened next became one of the most iconic moments of the 20th century. Strangers hugged, champagne bottles popped, and the wall that had once symbolized oppression became a stage for celebration. Crowds began tearing it down piece by piece. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't just about Germany. It symbolized the collapse of Soviet control in Eastern Europe. Within a year, Germany reunified. 2 years later, the Soviet Union itself dissolved. The Cold War was over. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't carefully planned. It was sparked by a mistake, fueled by the people's courage, and sealed by history's momentum. A wall meant to divide became a reminder that freedom cannot be contained forever. The night of November 9th, 1989, proved that even the strongest walls can crumble when the people rise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more history stories.